The operational reliability of power-generating equipment, the extension of repair interval, the repair and operation costs largely depend on the condition of turbine oil, which is a process fluid in a system for lubrication and control of turbine generator sets of power plants. As of today, one of the main problems of using turbine oils is to ensure the stability of their physical and chemical properties over a long period. In particular, turbine oils shall have high resistance against air oxidation at an elevated temperature, high demulsifying ability, low initial acidity and ash content. Furthermore, no particulate matter is allowed. However, during operation, aging of turbine oils occurs, the result of which is an increase in their viscosity, acid number, particulate matter and ash content. The use of such oils can lead to alarm conditions, shutdown, long downtime, and expensive repairs of power turbines. One of the options for solving this problem is to change waste turbine oil for new oil, but waste turbine oils belong to the class of hazardous waste, which may contain up to 25% of undesirable substances, so they require additional financial costs for special disposal. A more reasonable approach involves turbine oil regeneration to as good as new condition and turbine oil reuse in power turbines. GlobeCore has developed a technology for waste turbine oil regeneration which involves two-stage processing. At the first stage, particulate matter and water are removed from turbine oil using an CMM-1 machine. This machine removes solids through coarse and fine filters, and water through a coalescing filter. The use of a coalescing filter allows purifying even particularly water-cut oils with a water content of up to 50%. Which is best suited for turbine oils. At the second stage, the turbine oil is fed into the CMM-R machine where adsorptive purification takes place. Turbine oil is run through the columns filled with a sorbent. Meanwhile, the sorbent absorbs all decomposition and aging products into its granules. If required, after turbine oil regeneration, it is possible to blend in an antioxidant additive. Depending on the model of the CMM-R turbine oil regeneration machine, an antioxidant additive blending unit can be integrated into the machine or used as a standalone item. After two-stage regeneration using GlobeCore technology, waste turbine oil is reclaimed to as good as new condition, and its purity corresponds to Class 14/12 of ISO 4406 and Class 6 of NAS 1638. The use of GlobeCore technologies for turbine oil regeneration allows saving money on the purchase of new and disposal of waste oil, enhancing the reliability of power-generating equipment, and extending the repair intervals. And how do you solve the issue of waste oil regeneration? Share your experience in the comments. More information about turbine oil regeneration machines can be found on our website www.globecore.com.